right, hey, it's Neil with Tint Masters down here at Window Effects in Andrew, North Carolina. I'm showing you a perfect way to cut a clean top edge. The big thing I seen, some guy made a video there the other day in the wind. He was outside and this was kind of flopping around. So the way you can get a good clean edge is a pre-cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my finger on the glass so I never cut it short. So if my finger runs right on the edge of the glass, I can feel that glass so I don't cut it short. That gives me like that little gap on the top. Now, if you want to make it extra tight, you can get that wet a little bit. And you don't have to tack it down, that works. And then the secret is you get a little tab and you get like a little relief cut in the corner. And then you stab it in there and run it and rotate that wrist coming down on the bottom. And it gives you a perfect cut on that top edge. You don't have to worry about it flopping around. So if you're outside tinting or even you just want cleaner, tight cuts, that's the thing. Put your finger on the glass and then cut as if the finger was on my knife. That way I'd leave like a little gap at the top. Perfect, good pro trick. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're getting super close to getting 1,000. Whoever's the 1,000th person, we're gonna send you something special.